I've been getting lots of emails on how to get free web, free web class training with Udemy, and it's real easy. Of course, you sign up, get a username, password, and all that good stuff. And here I am on my site, my page, and it's just real easy. Here you go. You just go here to the search bar and you type in free courses are free. And right here, you have all these courses for free. They're really not that long of courses. Some are very short, but you can get free courses with Udemy. Get your feet wet, Can I jump in it, check it out, navigate, play around with the whole system, take a couple of free courses, and then decide from there, hey, do I want to go with this guy? And a lot of teachers give free courses. You can kind of look at their site and then buy one. So if you can see here, instruction to business, making sense of your personal finances, how to use online video to flip the classroom, camcorder testing, Twitter for business, Android development, 8 hours long, 75 lectures. That's just a pretty long one. And here's a sample. Here we go. Down here, it gives you the course content, introduction, highlights, and here are the requirements. Desire to learn basic Java skills, PC, Mac, Linux, run Eclipse and SDK. And I'm not trying to be a downer on this one, but I've tried SDK Android, and it's real buggy, and it gets lots of. It's just a difficult system. They may have improved it, but there's a whole lot to download Android SDK. It takes like hours, but that's a very tough program. But this is the instructor, tells you his review, his likes, his students, his classes, and we'll give a little sample here.
Hi, I'm Raghunath Jawahar. Libraries that could improve developer product, new Android developers, and I'm using the same course to train you, and I'll be sharing with you the.
And so, it's that simple to check it out and see what the course is about. Free. Here we go. Marketing, Adobe Premiere. This is something I was looking for, but it sounds like this. I'm looking for this. I might just see to add this. You could just go to your wish list. Boom, click that. And check it out. I want to check this out, so hopefully. Oh, that's a totally different language, so that's not really what I'm looking for myself, but I am looking for Adobe Premiere courses. Free. Boom. Okay. Troubleshoot your website. C++ for beginners. Okay. Let's type this one.
Of programming.com or Python, for example, forms, as long as they're artificial intelligence, where you're trying to do a lot of processing in.
So that's how you get a free course in Udemy. You just log in, click free tutorials, free, whatever you're looking for. Like on Premiere. Let's see. Nope, it's just giving you the paid courses for that. So if you type in free, whatever you want to learn, it's kind of not going to give you that course may not be free. But here's the courses for me, and I'll look into this. And if you type in Adobe Premiere, you can put more. I guess click more to get more, more searches. But it's very simple. Try Udemy for free. Sign up. Type in free, and that's all you gotta do. This is Moonbase Alpha 2020, and we out.